gbé jáde, gbé jáde, òṣèlú kì í gbé kọ̀rọ̀, gbòṣèlú ẹ jáde, gbé jáde, gbé jáde, òṣèlú kì í gbé kọ̀rọ̀, gbòṣèlú ẹ jáde. Translation. Translation is bring it out, make it visible. Politics doesn't operate in the corner. Bring your politics out. Essentially, that is what we are here to comment.
These are the true followers of Buhari, and we are here today, sir. When this coalition started, we started identifying with the party that we want to go along with. It was our effort, sir, that we met in Abuja here to identify with the coalition even before the identification of the platform that through G3 with the ruling government.
You see me, I don't need to tell you I'm CPC. If you see Malami, former AGF, don't need to tell you that he's CPC. If you see former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasir Ahmed El-Rufai, you don't need to tell you he's CPC. Then you can now compare with the faces that you have seen in the villa dining. My leader, I want to reassure you our commitment. The CPC bloc is intact. President Muhammadu Buhari has left an unprecedented mark in the history of this country, and we will not let it dwell.
We are now about melting into the new political platform that God has chosen for us and appointed you as the leader, that is in ADC now. And inshallah, from all indication, this time we are making it. Not you making it, we are the ones making it. Because as far as life is concerned, you don't need anything anymore in life. You have done your best to serve in the customs to the extent you reach the peak, but God didn't want you to become the Controller General. He gave you an alternative. You've become one of the most powerful vice presidents in the history of Nigeria, and since then you've been consistent in politics. You've been picking the children of nobody and turning them into somebody. Because I'm from Adamawa, I can mention names of people that I know. Even your families, even their families cannot be identified when you mention them. But today, they walk on the streets as people with pride and whatever, that they had the opportunity to serve.
So I'm particularly delighted to receive you today to say that this is a continuation of your own journey, of your own struggles. And I believe with your support, we will be able to translate this journey into success. Not only that, to also form a government that will have the kind of impact that really President Buhari would have loved to see in this country. That is a government that will be responsive to the needs of the ordinary people, that will be responsible for peace, unity in this country.